Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a background in a photo by using the background remover in Canva apps. So here I've already have this photo that I want to remove its background. Click on the photo and then just go to effect, and this background remover will show up. So just click on that. Then Canva will do its magic and it will remove the background of the photo. Just wait until the process is done. So now the background has been removed, and here you can just fit the size or position the photo as you like. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, also click on the thanks. Bye.